Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today in this short and simple video, I will show how you can restart VIVO phone. So there are quite a few ways you can use to approach the system reboot or soft reset. The easiest one and the most common one is to hold the power button for a second and the power off menu gets launched and you can restart it from here. Sometimes the press of the power button launches the Google Assistant or voice assistant rather than the power off menu. Then the gesture for the power off menu launch is to press the power button and volume up key simultaneously like that. And as you can see, it provides us with the same result, and then you can just tap at the restart option. The other method that I'll show is the method that allows you to reboot your device without having a need or urge to tap at the physical buttons. In order to do that, you will need to go into settings, then shortcuts and accessibility, and over here we will need to find the accessibility menu option. Here it is. So turn the shortcut on for it, and then you'll have this convenient shortcut upon tapping at which you can launch the power off menu without pressing any buttons whatsoever, and then restart the device from here. Now simply give your phone 10, 15, 20 seconds to get properly reboot or reloaded, and well, that will be pretty much it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.